beta, we are going to start the next question, and next question is question number 4 from equation. Okay, counting equation, question number 4. First, we are going to make the pro forma. Here, assets is equal to capital plus liability. Okay. After that, we are going to start the question, and the question is: first is Kunal started business with cash 2,50,000. It means first head is cash is equal to capital. Okay, beta. First 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Up to this is clear. Go for the next. He purchased furniture for cash 35,000. For purchase furniture, new head 35,000, and less from where? Less from cash data. Okay. When we are going to purchase any new head, so that will added or that will show in our equation, and that amount, if in cash, so that amount will less from where? In cash. Finalize 35,000, 1,50,000, and 1,50,000. Okay, beta. Up to this is clear. Then he paid commission 2,000. Okay. Paid commission expense, and expense will less from cash and capital. Less from cash and 2,000. Finalize 3,500, 1,30,000, 1,48,000. Okay, beta. 1,48,000. Okay, next. He purchased goods on credit, beta. Okay. He purchased goods on credit. So his purchase goods is new head. So here add goods. Then purchase goods from credit. How much amount? For 40,000. We are received the goods of 40,000. Okay, beta. Credit or cash? That is the other matter. First, we are received the goods from 40,000. Make new head from here. Goods 40,000. But on credit, if we are purchasing anything on credit, that will make one new head on liability side, creditor. And amount is 40,000. Now finalize goods 40,000, furniture 35,000, cash 1,13,000, capital 1,48,000, and creditor 40,000. Okay, beta. Okay, go for the next. He sold goods costing 20,000 for cash in 26,000. First, he sold goods and goods value is 20,000. So that will less from stock or goods. Okay, beta. He sold, how much values he sold, that only we are less from where? From goods. But is selling in 26,000, so we are receiving 26,000. That will add in a cash profit 6,000, and profit will add where, beta? In capital. That's 20,000 is stock or goods, furniture 35,000. 139 cash, 150 24 capital and creditor 40,000. Okay. It's a 250 beta. It's a 250, not 150. Okay. Okay. Business start with the cash 250, then 250 cash, 250 capital, finished. Then they are going to purchase furniture in cash 35,000, 35,000 new head furniture, and then less 35,000 for cash. Okay, beta? Clear? Then they are going to put payment of 2,000 expense that will less from the cash and capital. Okay, beta? Then they are going to purchase the goods from 40,000 on credit. One new head 40,000. Okay, beta? Goods, and then make the new head creditor 40,000 liability side. Then last, the value of 20,000 goods we are going to sell in 26,000. 20,000 less from goods and 26,000 add in cash because we are received, and 6,000 is profit that will add in where? In capital. Okay. Then 20,000 goods, 35,000 furniture, 2 lakh, 39,000 cash, 2 lakh 54,000 capital, and then creditor 40,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Question number 4 is clear. Now I am going for the question number 5. Okay. Going for the next. And this business start with the cash of 1,75,000. So first head beta, cash is equal to capital, and that amount is 1,75,000. 1,75,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Then go for that next. Purchase goods from Rohit. Rohit, name is there, no cash. It means it's a credit transaction, beta. So purchase goods. Goods we are purchased, or new head is what? Goods. And here one new head is creditor, but his name is Rohit. Okay. How much amount they are going to purchase for that furniture? Sorry, goods. Goods purchase 50,000. Okay, beta? So 50,000 is front of goods and 50,000 is creditor. That name is Rohit. Okay. Then finalize. Goods 50, 175, 175, and Rohit are creditor 50. Okay. Clear? Next, sold goods on credit to Mahesh and costing 17,500 in 20,000. Okay, we are going to sell the goods of 17,500. So less from your goods. Okay, and you are going to sell on credit to Manesh. Sorry, who is that? Mahesh. Okay. Sorry, Manish. Okay. So you are going to make the debtor in bracket Mahesh amount 20,000. The value of goods is 17,500 beta, but we are going to sell in 20,000. Then difference amount is 25,000, and 25,000 is profit that will add in a capital. 20,000 less that amount, 500 to 3, 175, 177, 500 and 50,000. So beta, on this way we are doing. We are selling in credit to make the debtors and then less the value of goods in goods and then profit is there that will show in a capital add. Then next, purchase furniture for office use 10,000. New head. Furniture beta, new head. If you are only 10,000 and less from cash beta. Because nothing is given, then the cash is given from that is the cash. Then furniture 10,000, 20,000, 32,500, 165, 177,500, 50,000. Okay. Then go for next. Cash paid to Rohit for full settlement 48,500. Just see. We are going to pay the cash 48,500. So less from here. Okay. And by that, it's a full settlement. Means the person Rohit is satisfied with the 48,500 against of 50,000. So for what? For that we have to take some profit. Our creditor is 50,000, but they are ready to take only 48,500. Our full 50,000 is finished because they are ready with this 48,500. So 1,500 profit for us. So that will add in a capital. Again, understand. If you are taking the loan or giving the loan 10 rupees for anyone or any friend, when he is given only 9 rupees, you are ready, okay, your 10 rupees is finished, only give me 9 rupees. So 1 rupees is profit for that person, for your friend, and your 10 rupees is finished. So that 50,000 is finished there. 48,500 from cash, 1,500 is profit, that will add in a capital. Okay. Now again 10,000 furniture, 20,000 debtor, 32,500 is goods, 500, 6, 1,16,500, 179. Okay, beta. Go for the next. Cash received from Manish. What amount? 20,000. We are received 20,000 from Manish. 20,000 less from here because he's given the full amount, and that will add where beta? Where? In cash. Because we are receiving the money. Add in cash. Okay, beta. Then 10,000. It's a 0. 32,500. 136,500. 179. Okay. Then go for the next. Paid rent. Rent is expense. That will less from the cash and capital. 1,000, 1,000. I think 1,000. It's 1,000. Okay. Then finalize 10,000 0 32 500 135 500 178. Okay. Now come on the last withdrawal from personal use cash 3,000. 3,000 less from cash and less from capital, and 10,000 0 32 500 1 32 500 175 plus. Okay. Finished. 132 cash, furniture 10, capital 175, stock 132, only 32. Okay. Now answer this game. Clear? Again repeat the question. Start business with cash 175, cash and capital. Then purchase goods for 50,000 on credit. So 50,000 for goods and liability side, 50,000 for credit. Then they are going to sell its goods on 7,000, 17,500 in 20,000. So less from goods 17,500, but make the debtor 20,000 because on credit, and 2,500 is profit. That will add in a where? In cash. Sorry, capital. Then next, purchase furniture 10,000. Make new head 10,000 of furniture and 10,000 less from the cash. Okay. Next, we are received 20,000. Next is we are going to pay 48,500 against the 50,000. The full 50,000 is finished, but less from cash, only 48,500. It means 1,500 is profit, that will add in a capital. Okay. Then we are going to receive 20,000 for our debtors. Full debtor is less 0, and then 20,000 add in cash. Okay. Then 1,000 we are going to pay for rent, less from cash and capital. Then 3,000 withdrawal, less from cash and capital. Okay, beta. On this way we are solving the question, and all the transactions written in this box. Okay, clear? How we are going to make this question? Is clear or not? Clear, beta? Okay.